Hi, I just wanted to say that the NRA endorses trophy hunting. Yes, they were silent crickets when Trump lifted the trophy hunting import ban. So they are complicit in that. Many of their members, and even board members as Ted Nugent, have a long history of trophy hunting. Even endangered species as elephants, giraffe, rhinoceroses, and all sorts of animals. Lions as well. You have Donald Trump Jr., who posed for pictures like a psychopath with a cut-off elephant's trunk, and had pictures of them holding a cheetah like a psychopath. So I just wanted to say that the NRA endorses trophy hunting. Now, I am not against hunting deer. It's better than factory farming. But when you pose with the kill or do trophy hunting, you're all going to be lumped together, especially when your board members are trophy hunters. So I just wanted to put that out there. And I worked for the National Park Service for many years and have been in conservation a very long time, and none of their excuses hold much weight. So they are complicit to hunting endangered species. End of story. Thank you. The NRA has elephant blood on their hands.